Have you ever wondered what makes some couples thrive financially while others struggle? Picture this: you and your partner, working together seamlessly to build a future that aligns with your goals and dreams. In this video, we'll delve into the art of financial partnership, exploring practical strategies to harmonize your money matters and achieve lasting success. So, grab a seat and get ready for insights that could transform not just your finances but your entire outlook on life. Welcome to Fundify, where we're about to embark on a journey to discover the secrets of financial success through partner collaboration. Think of it as the recipe for a fulfilling and prosperous life. Ever pondered how mundane life would be if everyone were identical? Probably not. Imagine a world of clones. It doesn't quite spark excitement. Just like the perfect balance of flavors in your favorite dish, the right mix of financial harmony can make life absolutely perfect. Now let's spice up your financial habits. Are you and your partner on the same page? Openly discussing and, if necessary, resolving your financial differences is crucial. Think of it as the secret recipe to a prosperous financial future. To fully embrace the practices outlined in this video, both partners need to understand the benefits of adopting a frugal lifestyle and controlling impulsive spending habits. Assessing your financial mindsets. Let's play the financial compatibility game. Whether you're already committed or eyeing a serious relationship, take a moment to discuss your spending habits. Here's a taste of the questions to savor. Do I wield the power of credit cards? How many and what kind? Is cash my financial sidekick, and how do I manage it? Do I have a fortress of insurance coverage and financial contingency plans? How do I wrangle bills and keep tabs on receipts? Does recreational shopping make my heart skip a beat? How do I night major purchase decisions? Am I a financial superhero to my relatives? Does staying home after kids become my financial epic? Remember, opposites often make the best financial duos. Let the financial compatibility game begin. Now, let's talk about the future. Setting long-term goals is like planning the perfect dinner party. As a couple, establish and review life goals, from the appetizers of hobbies to the main course of homeownership. Write them down to savor the flavor of your shared dreams. After the feast of life goals, it's time for dessert, setting savings goals. Create a savings plan, maybe using a joint account for bills and short-term savings and individual accounts for personal indulgences. Navigating financial differences. Time to unveil the diplomatic prowess. Money talks can get spicy, but kindness and respect will keep the harmony alive. Seek professional counseling if needed, like bringing in the financial sommelier for a perfect blend. 3 checking account system. For those with individual financial palates, consider a 3 checking account system: 1 joint account for bills and short-term savings and individual accounts for personal flavors. Collaborating with your partner. If you're the financial chef, your partner's cooperation is essential. Cook up a storm together to tackle debt, reduce credit usage, and create a budget. Spice things up with open communication about financial issues. Talking to your children. Time to involve the little taste testers. Be honest with your kids about your financial recipe. Tailor the conversation to their age, explaining changes and involving them in budgeting to teach valuable financial lessons. Prioritizing family relationships. In the grand banquet of life, don't sacrifice family time for extra financial calories. Cut back on spending, as family relationships are the ultimate delicacy, and time together is the rarest spice. Believing in yourself. Getting out of financial jams requires determination and a dash of positivity. Draw strength from past challenges, avoid financial guilt, and redefine success beyond material possessions. Handling setbacks. Celebrate small financial victories, find humor in daily financial life, and count your blessings. Accept what can't be changed. Find peace through financial meditation, and seek professional help if the financial blues linger. Asking for help. If willpower alone isn't enough, consider resources like Financial Anonymous, financial health professionals, informative financial books, and the support of financial friends and family. Remember, achieving financial success through partnership is not about erasing differences but blending them harmoniously. The journey may be a flavor-packed adventure, but with collaboration and understanding, financial success is the most delectable dish you'll ever savor.